Pingu and Milo meet in the morning.
Good morning. Good morning. How are you? I'm fine.
Quiz time. It's morning. Pingu meets Milo. What does Pingu say? A. Good morning. B. Good night. A is correct. Pingu and Milo meet at noon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Bye. See you later.
Quiz time. It's noon. Pingu meets Milo. What does Pingu say? A. Good evening. B. Good afternoon. B is correct. Pingu and Milo meet in the evening.
Good evening. Good evening. How is it going? Great.
Quiz time. It's evening. Pingu meets Milo. What does Pingu say? A. Good evening. B. Good morning. A is correct. Pingu and Milo meet at night.
Hi, Milo. It's late. Hi, yes, it is late. I'm going home. Let's go together. Good night. Good night. Sweet dreams. Wait, are we roommates?
Quiz time. It's nighttime. They are going to bed. What does Pingu say? A. Good morning. B. Good night. B is correct.
Subscribe for more videos.